After World War II, Japan faced severe labor shortages. Businesses needed ways to serve more people with fewer workers. So the first Japanese vending machines weren't high-tech at all. They were simple mechanical helpers designed to keep shops running. By the 1990s and 2000s, machines sold everything from umbrellas to noodles to fresh fruit, all perfectly maintained. Today, Japan has over 4 million vending machines, one for every 30 to 40 people, not because they're novelty, but because they're trusted. Japan's vending machines weren't created to be cool. They were born from necessity and became part of everyday life.